It's 17 degrees outside right now, and this is Christmas Eve, and you can see how hard DTE Energy is out here trying to restore service for their customers for the holiday of Christmas. So just showing you guys this. This is after the 2013 ice storm that happened, and this is about 7 o'clock at night. And just goes to show how hard some of the people try to make sure everything goes smooth for the holiday. You can see how heavy the ice is on the bush in front of my house while they're out here working on this.